very hectic flight, we have finally landed in Bali and I will give you guys a room tour. I am staying in Encore by Ramada. It's a very pretty place in Seminyak and I'll show you guys how the room looks. So once you enter, this is the washroom. It's quite simple, nothing that great. And then this is our room. It's a pool facing room, so that's what I love about this room. The pool is just so pretty. I'm going for a swim with my brother and we bought Baileys from the airport, so I'm just having Baileys and then we'll go for a swim. He's already in the pool waiting for me. And we've ordered lunch as well, so we're just waiting for the lunch. Having lunch by the poolside. I just got ready and we are going to the Seminyak market to buy a sim and just have a look around, explore the city. And I'm wearing this very pretty floral romper and this is how my romper looks. So it's a new day here and today we are off to Ubud for a full day tour. We're gonna see the waterfall, the temples and everything, and I am wearing this very pretty red colored floral maxi. It's so pretty. It's from Shein and it's so flowy.
Then you separate the powder. Now this is ready to be made.
We've come to see the rice fields and the view is just so pretty. sat down to have something. We were so hungry we couldn't even have lunch. So we've come to this place called Ibu Rai in Ubud Market, and I have ordered a smoothie and sandwich for myself.
Thank you.
And fish and chips and some chicken as well. And I guess after that we're just gonna head back to the hotel because we're damn tired. So it's day 3 in Bali, and today we've come to the Uluwatu temple. I think like everything in Bali is just so far from each other, and you need at least 1.5 to 2 hours to go to each side of Bali and explore. We've come here for like 3.5 days, so I think that's not enough. You need to plan a trip for at least 5 to 6 days if you want to see the entire Bali, and there's just so much of traffic. It just makes it so worse. So right now we've come here, and then I don't know if we'll get time to go somewhere else because I have booked a shoot with some photographer here around 4 o'clock, so I need to rush back to my hotel till 3:30. So you can see the Indian Ocean from here, and the view is really beautiful. So now we've come to the Padang beach, and this beach is really famous because a part of the movie Eat, Pray, Love was shot here, and this beach is really beautiful as well. So finally my shoot has started, and this is my first look. I'm wearing this black maxi that I got from Bali itself, and I am shooting with Alan.
Hi.
He's a really nice photographer, and I'm going to leave a link to his profile in the description box. So if in case you guys are visiting Bali, do contact him. He clicks amazing pictures. I couldn't cover the third look on my vlog because we got really late, and the shoot, I had to wind up the shoot by the time of the sunset, so we had to rush to the beach, and everything went well. I will share the pictures on my Instagram, so stay tuned for that. And right now we've come to the Seminyak village mall, and we're just having a look around because it's our last day here in Bali, and we didn't really had anything else to do because everything else is like so far, and all the markets close by 9 o'clock. So right now it's 8, and this is the only option we had. So yeah, we're just doing some pending shopping, and we're gonna have dinner and rush back to the hotel. With fresh fruits from this little stall just outside the mall. It's yummy, so if you guys ever come here, do try their ice creams. They're very nice. So it's dinner time, and we've come to this place called Rumors in the Seminyak market. It's an okayish place, not that happening, but yeah, the food is fine. So it's my last day in Bali, and right now it's 9 o'clock. I'm heading for breakfast, and after that we are planning to go to the Kuta market and maybe the Discovery Mall as well. Totally depends on how much time we have left because our airport drop is at around 12 o'clock. And I'm very happy I'm leaving Bali because Bali has been sort of a very mixed, like I have really mixed thoughts about Bali. The traffic here is as bad as Delhi, so that's something I really dislike about Bali. And then everything is like just so far away from each other. So if you're in Seminyak and you want to go to Ubud, you'll take around 1.5 to 2 hours, so that's pretty bad. And if you guys are planning a trip to Bali, I'd suggest you that please come here for at least 5 to 6 days, and also please take a resort in different areas, like keep shifting your hotel so that it's easier for you to explore that particular place really well, you know. We took our hotel in only one area, so it was very difficult for us to explore the entire Bali, and we had to travel a lot, so that kind of sucked. So yes, that's a big suggestion, and let's see what we are able to do in the next 2 or 3 hours. And we are again stuck in traffic as usual.